Okay, well, I'll do it again. Shh. It's okay.
Hi guys, so in the last video we said that we were gonna hold a Q&A, and we have gathered all of your questions and we're gonna answer them.
Okay, so first question is from João, and it is, how do you guys make money for food? So before we started this trip, we actually, like we said already, we sold everything and we managed to save enough money to start the trip. We already knew that eventually, I mean, we cannot live from that money forever, so we need always income, obviously. So I'm gonna be guest spotting around Europe as a tattoo artist, and I'm lucky that my job allows me to do that. Alex also is soon becoming a tattoo artist, so she can also help me on the road in different spots, you know, tattooing, and you know, that's the only income that we have right now. We also try not to expend too much in unnecessary things, so the main goal is to live as cheap. We're not going around buying stuff, like buying unnecessary things from the trips and everything. We keep it simple, minimalistic,
very minimalistic,
just traveling and living here, and that's how we've been doing it so far.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so next question is from Anna, and it is, what was the hardest thing you had to endure so far, or the hardest thing to get used to? So I think I'm speaking for both of us when I say the shower situation.
Yes.
Because we have a porta potty, so toilet and bathroom and stuff like that is not a problem at all. But I mean, we like to surf, we're pretty active, so you know, not being able to take a warm shower after a long day of surfing in salt water is a little bit tricky. But we are getting used to it. We have a solar shower that we fill up with water. If we go to a campsite, you can go to the gym. So, you know, it's just, we're pretty new. We've been doing this for about a month, so things takes time. New. Yeah, we need to figure out stuff, how to do stuff, get a routine, but we will get there. Yeah.
We manage to stay clean all the time. Doesn't mean that just because we don't have a warm shower every day or every second day means that we are all, you know, disgusting and smelly and whatever. That's actually not the case at all.
You have baby wipes, you have wet cloths, you can do hand wash.
Yeah, we can even if we didn't have any showering, I mean, if you take it a little bit to the extreme, but obviously it's needed. Whenever you stop at a gas station, there's toilets, you can brush your teeth.
Yeah, that is
you can, like Alex said, you can, with baby wipes, you can a little bit scrub your body and just try to keep clean all the time. But obviously we appreciate it when we can actually take a proper shower. That's definitely the most difficult part when it comes to traveling so far.
Yeah.
Third question is from Hannah.
Yeah.
What kind of travel experience do either of you have from before? What is new and exciting? Maybe things that you have heard from other travelers that you look forward to be part of. From travel experience, Alex has more traveling experience because she's been in Asia, she's been in Ethiopia, way more experience to dealing with different cultures. And Dubai, I mean, definitely you've been traveling way more than me.
Yeah.
But it's conventional traveling. It's like you grab your clothes on a suitcase and fly a plane, you know. This kind of traveling is completely new.
Yeah,
at least
both of us.
I never drove this far.
Yeah.
And especially living inside a van is like we said, is new for us. But we're enjoying it pretty much so far.
Yeah.
What is new and exciting, it's definitely seeing different places
new
all the
scenery,
time.
You know.
And as we get bored in one place, we can just drive the van like 1 hour, and then we're in this amazing spot suddenly. Definitely, that's super exciting.
Yeah.
And the mystery of seeing, okay, where are we gonna spend the night? Suddenly we don't have any hopes of finding a place, and then boom, we find this awesome place.
Yeah.
So that's the most exciting thing, I believe,
when it comes to what we have heard and what we're looking forward to, it is basically just experiencing our planet.
Yeah, basically, I mean...
Straight up, I mean, surfing...
We have diving license as well, so
Yeah,
we're
diving,
planning to
yeah.
dive eventually, so, I mean, stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
A lot of footage underwater and things like that. The main goal of this is to actually be free and just experience as much as we can.
Next question is from Quill. What did you guys have to do to bring your dog on your adventure? Why do you only have one dog with you? Where are the others? Thank you so much, Quill. Very good question. I have actually been waiting to get some questions about that because we actually have 3 dogs. We have a French Bulldog, we have Wally, which is a Chihuahua, and then we have Toto, which is...
A street breed.
Yeah, a
It's
street
a mix
mix
of a lot of breeds and stuff. So.
The thing is that Toto, considering that he is a rescue from Spain and has endured quite some stuff in his life, he's very nervous. He's very nervous and
very scared of everything.
And scared of people, strangers, and he needs a stable home. He needs a stable place that he feels safe at. Having him on this trip
on the road all the time
would not be good for him. It would be selfish for us to bring him. He also doesn't like driving.
No, not at all.
And this is a lot of driving involved. One day we can decide that we just want to move and we can drive for 8 hours. Same thing is with Stitch. He loves people, but he doesn't handle driving. He gets very stressed and he pukes a lot, he gets very car sick, and considering all the driving that we're doing, it would be very selfish to bring them on a trip like this when they would constantly be stressed.
When we know that they cannot handle it, obviously why?
Because we tried. We have tried to get them used to driving, to get them used to being in the van. Before the van was done, we would just take day trips here and there to try to get used to them, because the plan was to bring all 3 of them, right? But they, both Totoro and Stitch, didn't handle it very well. Toto and Stitch is with 2 very special and important people. Very close friend of us.
And we know they're in good hands, and that makes us very happy.
Yeah.
So they're having a blast, they're really being taken care of. So we're actually very lucky that we have these people in our lives, because, I mean, that was just amazing. So we thank you for all of that.
Yeah. And then over to Wally boy here. What we had to do to bring him. So he had to get some shots, some vaccinations, rabies shots. He also needed to get a medication that he gets once a month, which is against parasites. And he also have a tick collar that he is wearing, that he has on 24/7.
Yeah.
So he is covered against ticks, all sorts of parasites, rabies. He has the vaccines against, everything that he needs. Also, you obviously need to have a passport and insurance that covers traveling.
We have mentioned so far that he's been very good. He just sleeps when we're driving, stays quiet, I mean...
Plays whenever we play.
He's a perfect traveling buddy.
Yeah, you've been a good baby. Yes, you're a good boy.
Okay, so that was all the questions that we got so far. So please, if you have more questions, we will make more videos answering them. It's no problem at all, and just leave it in the comment below. And on Instagram as well, and you can just send us a message, and we will gather all the questions and then make eventually a video to answer everything. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.